Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can deactivate your account on X or Twitter, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to deactivate your account on X or Twitter, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your X or Twitter app. And after opening your Twitter, next, you will need to go to your Twitter settings, since that's where you can deactivate your account. So to do that, first, I want you to tap your profile at the top left corner. And then select the Settings and Support option. And then you will now see the Settings and Privacy, so just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be on your settings. So to deactivate your Twitter account here on Settings, just go to your account option right here. And after that, there it is guys, you will now see the Deactivate Account option, so just go and tap it. And then tap this Deactivate button at the bottom to start deactivating your account. And then they will ask you to enter your account password to make sure that it's really you who's trying to deactivate your account, so just go and enter it. And once you're done entering your password, you can now tap this Deactivate button. And then they will ask you for confirmation if you really want to deactivate your account, just tap the Yes button to confirm it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your X or Twitter account will now be deactivated. And by the way guys, it's important to note that this is only account deactivation and not a deletion, so if you've decided to open your account again, you can just log it in and then your account will be reactivated once again. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.